welcome back to another video from John Kleis Car. My name is Max. Today, sat in a Transporter T5.1 and I'm going to give you a quick look at the DMX8021DABS, a wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto head unit, 7-inch display, ability to add HDMI, DAB radio. We've installed a little DAB antenna over to the left hand side of the windscreen, pretty unobtrusive from my side of things here. And yeah, that will give the customer a bit of DAB radio. Obviously Apple CarPlay is the main reason people do this upgrade, or wirelessly connects to our phones, whether they're Apple or Android on this unit. But just a much nicer way of using a phone for maps, music, messaging. Generally, just across the board, a real nice, easy to use head unit. They come with a great warranty at the moment, which is 3 years from Kenwood. And yeah, this head unit does pretty much everything anyone would ever need in the car while driving. Links up to the steering wheel controls. We can retain your reverse cameras, parking sensors which come up on the display. But yeah, it's a great head unit if you prefer that flush in a dash look. We've got larger screens which can float in front if you prefer that, and you want a larger, bigger screen which is easier to see. Can sometimes work against the glare angle that is often complained about on these cars, but this is still a very popular option that we do here. And just a quick look around the stereo. You've got your DAB in here, presets down the side that you can set. Choose your preset via this list here, and to save in a channel you just simply click on the one you want to play, pick a preset, saved in a few already as you can see, and hold it down and it will save just like so. It's got the ability to HDMI. We can add leads into the glove box. In this car we've actually added some new speakers as well, because the speakers were pretty shot, so it's now got much nicer way of using their phone in the car. Nice quality for the calls, nice quality music, all round a great solution. Thanks for watching this video. My name's Max, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.